Okay, I'm back. So I just finished the first part of the Friends Lego set, and it looks like this. This is basically only a base of this stuff, and now I'm going to start off the part two. There it is. So it should give us a wall and Rachel here, I guess. Let's dig into it. So the part two starting from page 42. Cool. Let me just open this. Ta-da! Oh, we have so many tiny parts. Cool. I guess I need to finish the ritual part first. Ritual's body here. Let's smile. Okay. And the very classic, typical Rachel hair. Ta-da! Essential beauty. Then we need the body, which is not here. Maybe it's over here. Oh my god! There's so many tiny parts for this. Yeah, it's really gonna be the mess because so many tiny parts. We need the tray and the cup. Yes. This is the cup. Ooh, this is gonna be a little bit difficult because there's so many tiny portions, which could be really messy. Ooh. It looks nice. Need to turn her arm a little bit. In her hand. Isn't she cute? Okay, you standing here. And we're going to start the journey of the second part.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
this is the second part, the background wall with little Rachel, and yeah, it looks pretty nice actually. It's like there's so many details here. Like, I didn't realize that this wall is actually made by little tiny pieces. I thought it's like a big block or something, but it actually not. And you can see like the coffee maker, like the tiny bottle and cup and everything, and the cupboard, and also the chalkboard here. It's all very nice. Cool. So I guess that's it. That's the second part, and you too, Rachel, join Gunther, and rest for a little while, and I'll put away all those backup pieces, and that's it. I think I'll get back with the third part, which is Joey with the another side of the wall. Very cool.